chicken. 1 onion, 3 do for green chilies, butter, garlic, and ginger. Seekh Kabab Masala. In a chopper, add onion, green chilies, and ginger, garlic. Chop them well. Now add chicken or mutton mince in it. Add butter. Seekh Kabab Masala. Chop them well until everything mixed. Now heat the coal on the stove. Smoke the kebab mixture with heated coals. Now make the shape of kebab according to your choice. And shallow fry them